wind turbine but in mild winds. This is the solar. Both these two are the wind turbine models, but you can switch the modes. This is my braking resistor module. Braking resistors are, there's one up there on the steel, there's one over there on the steel, and there's also one over here on the steel. And this one I've got here is a temporary one, waiting for some big ones coming. That's for the braking resistor that's energized by the unit. I'll show you the settings on this. Currently weight set like this. Never save the settings when it's windy, otherwise it'll switch off and it'll go to control and apply the braking resistors, and it's pretty hard to bring it into control again because the inverter's got to slow it down. So this is my manual brake switch. I just roll that down and that applies the resistors directly. As you can see, a good 1,000 watts coming in, solar and the turbine. So I've got 3 Jinko 315s on the shed. This guy over here, this model is a 48 volt 2 kilowatt, and I've got it turned into a 24 volt 2 kilowatt. If you switch it off and switch it on and hold these two buttons together, you can then change the mode of it into a wind turbine or solar, and you can change the voltage as well. So this one, it can be 48 volt or 24 volt, 2000 watts, wind turbine or solar, and the other one can be 24 volts. There's some good winds coming through there. You see 38.6 volts. The braking resistors will fire at 46 volts for the camera. What is that for? Let's check that again. So the braking resistor, I've got 53, that's quite high. I'll lower that when the wind stops blowing, that should be about 48. I did actually have a play with it over the week, one week. It was making lots of vibration noises. I had it set to 23 volt 100, and it was making this horrible vibration. So I reduced the load when it's at 23 volts. It seems to have stopped the vibration. So you can just about hear it cranking up, but it's nice and normal. If it makes a vibrating noise or vibrates a lot, you need to reduce the load. Take it outside and see it.